Hey. Oh. Oh. So you join me? What? Oh, you join me at Hartford Hills on a Honda CRF250. Hey. That I have borrowed from Rich very kindly. Hey, look at that. Ah. So back we go. So this is just me dicking around, and okay, turn left. I have no clue what I'm doing. Whoa. I mean, this is a lovely bike. I believe it has the it's easy to get carried away. Actually, on the peg, it's a lot easier. Hey. So I'll just quickly pop off. Well, not from too high. So this is it. A little CRF250L. I'm disgustingly dirty. And yeah, I believe standard tyres, the chain needs adjusting. Could do with replacing actually, but it's not my bike. 250 single, standard can. I'm curious to see where this one goes. Oh yeah, this thing is great, I'm loving it. Come on, after you. Back end slightly slightly. Come down here, what goes down must come up.
So funny.
See, that's his bike, that's my bike. Oh look, he's standing up for the video. Oh look at me, I look so sexy. Oh.
Oh. Both of you called it, I love it.
Should we give him a hand?
That is the first time.
Yeah,
I am giving you that video.
So you join me again, back on the Honda, not the CRF250 though. And yeah, I mean the thing was bloody brilliant. I mean once I got my confidence and got a bit of speed, it got on the pegs a bit. Yeah, brilliant bike, brilliant toy. Oh. But yeah, my legs are well and truly dirty. Again, big thanks to Rich. I know he doesn't watch. Well, I don't think he watches. For letting me borrow the bike. But yeah, as a first introduction to green laning, oh that is fun. Oh, I'd love one of them. So yeah, I didn't have a video. So this is Sunday, and I didn't have a video at all for this week. I wasn't gonna make one, but thanks to Rich, we now have one. So I'm gonna head home, and I'll set the after pictures. Oh. Oh, I'm going to drink first. Oh, if I had room and money, I to wash my boots off. So yeah, I can't, even still now I can't get my words out of how fun that was. I mean, it handles, the CRF handles like a 125 in many respects. Just a lot torquier. A lot torquier.